What's up, mates? The coin list is announced a new whitelist of a tribal project, tribal credit, and the participation and opportunity for you to be a part of tribal credit is open until 15 March. So today we're gonna observe this project and I'll tell you about tokenomics, vesting periods, and the key idea and the key features of a tribal credit. So, globalization is driving more small to medium business SMBs to operate around the world, and around 5 million SMBs within Latin America long struggle to access financial credit, scale their growing operations, and manage their cross-border payment and cash across markets. Tribal is a payment and financial platform that can underwrite and approve SMBs using a proprietary artificial intellect driven algorithm. Tribal offers SMBs access to multi-currency corporate cards, spend management, crypto and trading, payment rails, and short-term financing. And today we can observe this project in two ways. First of all, we observe it on a coinlist.ko, and then we look through the website and social networks of this project. So what is Tribal? Tribal merging TradeFi and DeFi. Tribal merges DeFi and TradeFi to disrupt SMBs lending and payments in emerging markets like Latin America and the Middle East and Africa also. So let's observe it, and here we can find a video that can explain everything about tribal credit. So let's observe it.
As a founder, you need to focus on growing your business. Banking is the last thing that should hold you back. But traditional banks don't understand startups. That's why we built Tribal, a set of modern financial tools designed just for startups, like corporate cards. And because we're founded and led by serial entrepreneurs, we understand what you need at every stage. It all starts with our easy online application. You can sign up in minutes, and our AI-driven approval process speeds up the time to reach a credit decision. We'll never ask for personal guarantees or credit history. Once approved, you can instantly issue virtual cards for your team. For added security, you can set spend limits on any physical or virtual card, and freeze any card in one click. Tribal cards can be used around the world, wherever Visa is accepted. Access your online dashboard from anywhere to keep up with your company expenses in real time. Do all of this and more, with no cost to sign up and zero interest.
That looks quite explainable, and let me remind you that the registration deadline is March 15, 12 UTC, and you can register just now. So, growth metrics and milestones of this project. Launched in 2019, raised $80 million in equity plus $60 million in debt financing. What else? 200 millions in gross transactions volume that was lent to SMBs, serving 1,000 business in 23 countries. Payment supports to 180 plus countries and 160 currencies. It sounds pretty cool, and the level of the bakers that support this project give us a chance that this project will be implemented in the real life, but I'll tell you a little later about the vesting period. It's quite big, and we should wait for a token for 1 year after initial DEX offering, and the vesting period for most part of token distribution is quite long, but still it gives us an opportunity that the price of this token and the price and the market cap of this project will be stable and will have a perspective for growth. Trusted by fastest growing startups in Latin America and Middle East. What about the partners? It's Moonchair, Justo, Newports, Frubena, Seri, CoinMena, what else? Lala Move, Clar, Fairplay, Betterfly, and also. Okay, speaking about bakers, it's CoinList, Circle, Coinbase Ventures, SoftBank Latin America Fund, Shima Capital, Stellar Development Foundation. I haven't seen a Stellar as a bakers for a while, so I think it's a good sign for us that a project like a Stellar and Huobi Ventures support such type of project. I mean a tribal credit. Sales options. There are two options, and of course we can choose whatever we want. Asset tribal tokens. The first option is 55 cents per token price, and the Second option is 40 cents per one token. Sale period March 17 and March 17, the same period of time. A little difference in supply for sale, 3.91% for option 1 and 2.5% for option 2. Purchase limits the same, $100 to $500 minimum and maximum. Funding methods USDT, USDC, Ethereum, BTC, Algo, Solana, and etc. A little difference in lockup period. If for options 1 we can find 1 year lockup followed by a 6 months linear release, and for options 2 1 year lockup followed by a 12 months linear release. Price a little less, but the vesting period is a little bigger. Excluded participants and etc. So it depends only your desire and your opportunity, what kind of options you can choose. Options 1 a little expensive, but options 2 is a little in options 2 you need to wait for a long time to get your token, you know. Okay, couple words about tokenomics, and then we observe their website and social networks, you know. So tokenomics, reserve and community rewards 43%, early token purchases 18.59%, coin list sale 6.41%, and early contributor 32%. So what about release schedules? Reserve and community reward, released at network launch and distributed over time in accordance with community incentives and rewards program. So speaking about early token purchasers, coin list sale and early contributors, it's a 1 year lockup for all of these guys. Yes, and then we have a 30 or 36 months linear release, and early contributors that has the same vesting period, 36 months linear vesting. So in this case we have a 3 full year for total circulation supply. So I think it has some sense and give us a little guarantee that the price of this token will be stable, or of course we are interested in growth of the token price and etc. Because we are as an investors, we are looking for an opportunity to increase our capital. So token uses cases, governance, rewards, staking, payments, and etc. What about team? Core contributors, it's Emir Shedi, Duan Good, Mohammed El Kastawi, Ehab Zaghul. It's guys from Middle East, I suppose, because their names is give us an information about it. Community contributors and etc. So let's go further. We can join their social networks. It's Twitter, Discord, Telegram, LinkedIn, and newsletter. A couple words about their Twitter. It's an early stage, I think, because there are only 3,500 followers, but it's quite active. We can find actual news, actual announcement, and etc. So just follow the Twitter to be in touch with this project, you know. The same you can do with Telegram, Discord, and also. And by the way, don't waste your time. Subscribe our Telegram channel and follow our actual news on our YouTube channel also. So now it's time to speak about their website, tribal.credit. Here we can find the same information as we found it on a coin list. Information about bakers, about the features. So get started with Tribal in minutes, skip the paperwork, no credit history, fast approvals, instant access to card. So it's a good words, but how it will be released we can find in the future, you know, because only we need to wait for a year to get our tokens, and in this case everything can change in cryptocurrency, you know. Different types of regulators can join the market and etc. and etc. So on their website we can find the same video that we watched in the very beginning of our reviews. So what else? Trusted by startups around the world. Some information, some positive words from different types of founders, and so founders from Trailer, DB, Menas, what is Daily Mills, What else? Dapi, Vuzov. I see only Arabic names, so I think this project has a big support from a Middle East fund and company. Common questions. What else? Ready to get started? Join the tribal and let us power your startup growth. So sounds pretty cool, and I think this project has a chance to for a growth, especially guys. This project supported by Middle East fund, and Arabic cryptocurrency society is very active, and the project like Zemio has Arabic roots, and they combine, they trying to build some bridge between fiat money and to cryptocurrency money. So I think the tribal credit looks like the same. They're trying to implement blockchain technology inside the traditional financial system, and I think their cards it looks the same. They're trying to build a bridge between fiat and the cryptocurrency. So guys, thank you very much for being with us today, and let me remind that you can participate in a whitelist and the upcoming IDO that will happen very soon. Just register and you can participate in March 15 at 12 UTC time. Don't waste your time. Try to do your own research before you invest, but you have a chance to be a part of this project. Have a nice time. Bye.